check out our shirt on Tespring.
Hey folks, I'll open 22 baseball trading cards from Panini Mosaic series. But a bag in a bag in a bag. And like no logos or anything, but Hall of Famers. 15 card per pack. I mean. What kind of shiny pick up cards? I like shiny stuff. The backside. Random coppered sheen. Type of the lightness. Did in my garage. Not an ideal place to do it. I apologize for my action. Oh, okay. Low ball to win. Very cinch. Oh, shiny cards. We'll get two back to back. Rookie debut and timer. Interesting. George Brett, Hall of Famer. Another Hall of Famer. Played last season with the Giants. He's from the Woodstock area near where I live. Thanks for watching. Maybe do better next time. Thanks for bye.